Timber. 3, 2, 1, go.
And it's Meyer that gets to the wood first. What a clean cookie. Who's going to drop first? It's Meyer. Here he goes.
Owen, he's got 2 hits on Chris on that underhand, and you do not want to give him a hit at all because he is the underhand world record holder.
There he goes. A little bit of a slow turn, but that's not going to matter too much because he is flying through the wood. Going to put the drivers in, wait for that wood to crack, and he's going to be straight through. There he goes, onto the single buck. Solid time here. Meyer looking very, very poised. Owen with a lot of work to do.
Yeah, Chris got through there with the DQ of David Rumer, and so he wasn't expecting to get through into this round, but he's doing good. And if he can get that single buck saw running, he might catch him up.
Meyer is just cruising here, but his time is still quite good. 50 seconds going onto the last leg, conserving all that energy. The big, bustling left-hander from Victoria. Let's make some noise for him, St Kilda, Melbourne! Just real precision. He's just cruising here. He knows he's got this ghost. No rush on that one. Thanks, Brayden. He's working through it beautifully here. Owen with a bit of work to do if he's going to catch the world champion. Drivers in, and Meyer takes it out comfortably. What a statement by the world champion. Let's make some noise. Keep it going for Owen when he finishes off his campaign here. He's been really solid all day, Lee.
Yeah, he definitely has. It's a fine line between taking your foot off the gas and finishing off strong there. We've seen in the past. Well done, Chris.
Well done to Chris Owen there.